Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to connect your speaker Sony with a cable. All you need to have is just a cable. It looks like this, what you receive in the package. So just open the plug on your speaker and connect this cable to the mini jack port. And also your phone should have this port also, so just connect it here. And right now we can see this headphones icon, it means that it's connecting. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.